Hey there, Techno Weebs. Welcome to Tech Atlantean. Continuing our mini-series on chakras of the human body, we have the fourth chakra, Anahata, or the Heart Chakra. Located at the center of the chest, the Heart Chakra is governed by the element of air and represents love, compassion, and emotional balance. It allows us to form deep connections, practice empathy, and live with an open heart. Like air, it expands our capacity to give and receive love freely. Each chakra has a corresponding Via mantra or seed sound that can be chanted to activate and balance it. For the Anahata chakra, the Heart Chakra, the Via mantra is Yam. Chanted 108 times to open your heart and invite unconditional love and compassion. Yoga positions associated with Anahata chakra are camel pose or Ustrasana, fish pose or Matsyasana, bridge pose, or Siddhabandha Sarvangasana. These heart-opening asanas help release emotional blockages and helps with compassion, emotional healing, developing loving relationships, empathy, inner peace and connection. Balancing this chakra makes you feel more empathetic, peaceful, and emotionally free. It's where love for self and others flows effortlessly.
To know about other chakras, ways to activate them, and benefits, follow Tech Atlantean. Share with your friends and don't forget to drop a like.